everybody. So I'm working on my auger right here. I'm replacing the bit for this one here. Now I have already pulled this old one off. It was a bear to do. Let's bring it on over here. I put it back on to try and show y'all just a little bit about what's going on here. I didn't know what kind of bit this was. At first I thought it might have been a bolt-on tip where I had a bolt that goes through here, and I had looked around, I didn't see any holes or anything like that. So my next thought was that it was just a stuck-on one. I'm not familiar with this style of drill bits, post hole digger bits. The next thing was I started trying to twist it off, going the right way, not right way, but turning it clockwise, and that was not working out. Then I had an idea if I should go the other way, because since the auger turns in a counterclockwise motion, that would mean that this would need a, sorry, it turns in a clockwise motion, I apologize. So this would need to go in a counterclockwise, lefty, loosey, righty tighty. So I got my sledgehammer and I started tapping on here, like this. A little bit here, and I started moving. So that's when I realized there was a screw off, or screw on, however you want to go about saying it. So this right here, it's been through the ringer a bit. The hydraulics on the old tractor failed on it while we were going down the road, and it came down like this on the road and just started grinding on the road. So this one, like I said, it used to be a fishtail bit. So I had a piece coming out this way and a piece coming out this way. I'll see if I can post a picture, a little thumbnail up top to show you what it once looked like. But again, this is what it now looks like, the one that I got. This is more of an aggressive bit. So when you take it, I already put some white lithium grease. This stuff right here. Yeah, I've showed it to y'all before. This stuff is really good. White lithium grease, despite whichever brand it is, white lithium grease is what you want for any hinge, anything like that. Any moving parts that you want to have on you to keep things well lubricated. You just get that, and just like any other screw-on things, you just screw this off, screw it on until it snugs up. Now, this has more play, more of a gap than my old one. My old one was only about a 16th. This is more like a quarter, 1/8 inch before, about a quarter. So I think what I'm going to do is take this. I don't know if it's gonna do anything different, if I'll get a little extra stuff out of it. But I'm gonna take this over to my torch. I'm gonna burn off all this paint right here and see if that helps out. All right, everybody. So part of the fence in here, we just moved here, and I'm trying to get the fence taken care of before I can start building my shop in here. So just kind of something I've done on my own, put in this with this. So here we go. Don't forget eye protection when you do stuff like this. I prefer clear stuff while I'm in here in the shade, but while doing torch stuff, better off to have sunglasses of some kind. Eventually I'm going to have a nice big table for welding on someday. So that day is not today. So right here, basically I've just started rambling on about not having a wire brush to clean the threads off, so I'm going to be using a baling twine and just started rubbing it on there, just kind of trying trying to clean up the threads a little bit, and realized that the auger was starting to get a bit warm in my hands. Forgot to put my gloves on earlier, talking about PPE and whatnot. So it's just, yeah, sometimes you forget to do stuff, and then you just start rambling on whenever you shouldn't be rambling on. The girls think that they want more food. Okay, so that was all pointless. I'll try this right here. I don't think this will work, but hey, that's why you gotta try stuff, see if things work. Now I got a little bit out of there. There we go. Now, I should probably replace these teeth. And I'm pretty sure you've already seen wherever this auger went down onto the ground while driving. This tooth here got a bit scratched up. But, I mean, there's still a lot of meat left on this here tooth, on the teeth. But anyways, I hope y'all learned something. Hope you enjoyed the content. I hope that y'all can come back again. Any of my future videos. Do me a favor, like, subscribe. It'd be great help. See y'all next time.